opinions and your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel, you are not subscribed yet,